Hi, this is John Cummings with ACS Factors. When you're shopping for a new product or service, it's always good to make a comparative analysis to other competitors or maybe an alternative to what you're looking for. And I'd like to do that for those of you who are looking for freight bill factoring. Here I would like to compare funding from a bank versus other factors, what they offer, and the features that we offer here at ACS Factors. First, getting approved. At a bank, getting a loan is probably going to take you 2-3 weeks, maybe 4 weeks, up to a month or so. Other factors, maybe 2 or 3 days. Here at ACS Factors, we generally provide a proposal and an approval within hours, the same day that we get your request. The term. How long is this financing going to take? How long am I going to be in the financing relationship? Banks typically are 1 year to 3 year terms. Other factors, 6 months to a year, maybe 2 years. Here at ACS Factors, we are month to month. We do not have a 6 month or year term. Clients of ours sign up and are factoring with us month to month. That means they can stop at any time. The funding requirement. How much funding am I going to have to utilize in order to qualify for this type of funding? At a bank, most bank lines of credit start at, on the very low end, $250,000, maybe $500,000 or $1 million. That's where you qualify at. You need to be borrowing at least that much money. Other factors, it may be $100,000, $50,000, or as low as $20,000. But the point is, you have to meet that minimum funding requirement. At ACS Factors, we have zero funding limit. You can fund month to month what you want, when you want. If there is a funding limit, a minimum, what it means is if you do not reach that minimum, you will be assessed a fee and have to pay a fee for funds you did not use. Repayment obligations. When it comes to borrowing from a bank, you're obligated to pay it. You've taken out a loan, and so you will be paying back the bank. That's the nature of that funding relationship. With other factors, you may be looking at recourse factoring, which means the factor advances you on your freight bill, and after 60 days, if the freight bill hasn't paid, they take recourse against you, which means they charge the invoice back and take the advance and the fee back from your account. At ACS Factors, we are a non-recourse factor. So what this means is, if we approve the broker, advance you on the freight bill, and that broker goes out of business, they go BK, that's on us, and that is our loss. That is our risk of doing business. We approved it, so we will eat the loss, as we say. Customer service. Banks will have a department of people. There'll be a high level of people to go through in terms of getting any kind of request heard from. Factoring companies, some are very big. They have a big department of people and staff, and it's hard to reach your customer rep. ACS Factors is a small family-owned factoring company. We take pride in servicing our clients and being there for them, answering their phone calls, responding to their emails, and having direct access to the CEO, me, John Cummings. We look forward to working with you. If you have factoring needs for your freight bills and you'd like to know more, please give us a call. Thank you.